7905, charge 4 hotel, view PGK, deflection 3160, quadrant 532.
Right. Pulling green set. Now. Yep, checking it. Using to the final. Yes, sir. So that pin up there is for the rocket. 8 seconds for the rocket.
So as does it work? Yeah, don't put wire in it. Just run some 550 cord just to simulate, just so we can get there.
The Anti-Personnel Obstacle Breaching System, or APOBS, is a 2-pack man-portable system that enables a team of engineers or infantry to explosively reduce anti-personnel mines and wire obstacles. Post-blast, it gives you a lane that's about 1 meter wide and 45 meters in length. The charge itself is a linear demolition charge consisting of 108 grenades connected together with explosive detonating cord, and it's employed with a rocket. The rocket drags the line charge out of the 2 packs, stretches it out in a straight line. It has 2 means of initiation. You can either use the factory installed initiator, which is a 15-second time delay, or you can use a command initiated shock tube that instantaneously fires the rocket on command of the breach team. And regardless of the initiation method, 8 seconds after the rocket is deployed and the charge is stretched out, the line charge will detonate in a single impulse, reducing the anti-personnel mines and clearing that lane through a wire obstacle.